Hi, this is another very good lines and angles SAT question. Let's go ahead and read the question first. And the very first thing I notice in trying to read the question is that the figure is not drawn to scale. In the figure above, points P, A, and B are equally spaced on line L, and points P, Q, and R are equally spaced on line M. If PB is 4, and as I put 4 there, I want to tell myself that this has to be 2 and 2 because they're equally spaced. And continue on with our reading. PR is 6, which basically means this segment is 3 and this segment is also 3. AQ is 4. The question is, what is the parameter of the equilateral? It's this one here, plus that side there, plus that side there, plus this side right here. As I was reading the question and isolating all of the given parameters, I very quickly realized that that is the missing side. So the question really is testing for our knowledge of lines and angles and see if we can figure out what the missing side is. I want us to notice a couple of things here. There is a triangle here, and there is another triangle. I now want to pay attention to the triangles only. And the green triangle redrawn here, and if I were to label all the sides, one of them is 2, the other side is 4, and there's a side 3 here. The yellow triangle, redrawn here, this side is 4, and we know that this side is 6, and this is the missing side right here. In one of my videos in the lesson section, you will see that I'm discussing this in some detail, but from a different point of view. If this line was parallel to that line, and if this side is A, and this side is B, and this is C, and this is D, and this is E, and this is F, A over A plus B is equal to C over C plus D, which is equal to E over F. So all the ratios of the sides are congruent. If that happens, then these lines were parallel. We don't know that these lines are parallel, but what we can do is we can test for the ratios. If 2 over 4 is equal to 3 over 6, then chances are the third side is also equal. So this missing piece here has to be 8. And based on that, we conclude that this side is 8. And then we can add the sides and get our parameter. So we find the answer here and we choose answer E. Very good. Thank you for listening. Good luck with your practices.